AI just passed its first real medical exam in the emergency room. A Harvard study tested OpenAI's O1 against 76 patients. Same data for both: vital signs, nurse notes, demographics. Result: AI got the diagnosis right 67% of the time. Human doctors, only 50 to 55%. But it gets more serious. One patient had a blood clot in the lungs. Doctors thought the blood thinners were failing. The AI looked at the chart differently, noticed the patient's history of lupus. It suggested the inflammation, not the treatment, was the problem. The AI was proved correct. The study went beyond diagnosis. 46 doctors versus AI on 5 real clinical cases. AI scored 89% on treatment plans. Doctors scored 34%. The researchers call it a triadic care model: the doctor, the patient, and an AI system. Dr. Arjun Manrai from Harvard Medical School said, "I don't think AI replaces doctors, but we are witnessing a really profound change in technology that will reshape medicine." Already, nearly 1 in 5 US physicians use AI to assist diagnosis. In the UK, 16% use it daily. Most common use: clinical decision-making. But questions remain. Who is liable when AI is wrong? There's no formal framework for accountability yet. AI works best as a second opinion, not a standalone decision maker. The bigger picture: AI doesn't read distress in a patient's face. It can't see sweat or trembling hands. It works on text, on records, notes, data. That is narrow, but it is also exactly where triage happens fastest. The future of medicine is not AI versus doctors. It is doctor plus AI making better decisions together. This is not a warning. This is the direction, and it is already happening.